So friends, this is Nifty and Bank Nifty chart in front of you. So you can observe Nifty is trying to trade above 17,143. So it is important not to short sell Nifty. Nifty short sale is possible only when it tries to trade below 17,130. On the other hand, you can observe Bank Nifty also showed a gap up and it is trying to trade above 36,361. So it asks for what? It asks for 36,693 to 36,823, this region. So where you may observe Bank Nifty for intraday face resistance, and from there you may observe little fall to approach to 36,550. Yes, so from 700 it may try to fall. Yeah, but at present this is bullish and it will try to approach to 36,693. So it is 36,656 at present. Bank Nifty, it is trying to approach to 36,693 where bears may start to become active from the intraday perspective. However, let the price to stay below 36,693. Once it tries to trade within the zone 36,693 to 823, let it stay there for a certain amount of time, and from there when it starts falling, that time we can try to buy put, or we can be bearish on the Bank Nifty from intraday perspective only. Otherwise positionally it is bullish. Okay. 686, 36,686, 692. You can observe, yes, 696. That means Bank Nifty is now in the zone of 36,693 to 36,823. And from here, when it tries to touch first time, a fall is expected. Okay, a fall is expected. And when below this, again, you can observe this approach. Okay, so that is the view on the Bank Nifty at present. Accordingly, you may try to buy Bank Nifty put of 36,600 or 36,700. See, you can observe immediately a fall of approximately 40-50 points can be observed. It can try to approach 36,600 to 36,556 first. Yes. So at present that put is 36,600 put is trying to trade around 199 to 200. You may try to buy that with a stop loss of 185. These views are shared only from the study point of view. So it is important for the candle to close. This is a 5-minute chart in front of me. So let this candle to close. So this is just a probable trade. Yes, this is just a probable trade. If you want, you can just make a paper trade. So this is how it is important to draw the labels first. These are pre-decided labels already shared through video and through the website. This is my website. You can observe Bank Nifty for September spot levels, or here in this chart also you can observe already these levels were marked. Yes, 36,823 to 36,693. So Bank Nifty from 361. If it starts rising, it will try to touch this zone. This was expected, and in live market you can observe what has happened. In live market you can observe it has tried to trade to 36,693. Yes, so within this zone 693 to 823. Now we will be bearish only when another candle tries to close below 36,693. Otherwise not. Since Nifty is in uncharted territory, so we cannot talk about further upside level. However, we can just say that still there is no bearish signal and hence no bearish sentiments on Nifty. So being a trader, you need to be patiently waiting for the right trade. You can observe from top side now selling pressure can be seen on Bank Nifty as well as in Nifty. Yes, so Nifty is trying to face resistance around 17,200. Yes, or 17,190. And as far as Bank Nifty is concerned, Bank Nifty is also trying to face resistance around 36,750. So closing of the candle is important. Let the candle to close. So it is still cruising upward. This is a 1 minute chart, and this is a 5 minute chart for the Bank Nifty. Yes, a gap down, bearish candle, and thereafter gap down. So from here, a correction may start in the Bank Nifty. Yes. Now where will be your stop loss? Stop loss will be just above this 36,805. However, better stop loss can be keep above 36,823, 20 points, 15 to 20 points. That means 36,840. That can be considered as a stop loss, and you may be bearish on the means you may try to take a contra call, because from the start of the day it is trying to rise, so trend is upward, but you may try to take a contra call. See, this is the trend line, right? This is the trend line. You may try to take a contra call, that is the bearish view, that is either sell 36,800, 36,900 call, or buy 36,800 put or 700 put, or sell the bank nifty future. Stop loss is very small. Yes, stop loss is very small. It is trading around 36,770, and from there stop loss is very small, hardly 70 points stop loss. Expected target is first this 693 and thereafter this 600. Yes, yes. In the 5 minute chart we can observe this is a spinning candle, but let the candle to close because it is 9:37. At 9:40 this candle will close. At 9:40 this candle will close. See, my trade setup is very simple. I'm just using these candlestick charts, and on the candlestick charts I have tried to mark various horizontal lines representing the support and resistances, and these are the pre-decided levels which were also shared on the website. Yes, you can observe here, this is the Nifty chart. Yes, so Nifty is trying to trade above 17,143, so we cannot be short on the Nifty. Yes, we must be bullish on the Nifty as long as it is above 17,143. But once it starts falling below 17,130, then we can be bearish and we can get a, a better trade. Yes, this is my website, Pritam Finsar. You can observe buying pressure is coming from the bottom on the Nifty because it is trading above 17,143. So every fall is considered as a buying opportunity. However, here we can mark now this as a region. Yes, this is another region, and from here with this as a stop loss, we may expect a fall. Partial profit booking here, and then thereafter this. So this intraday trade may be possible. So just above this is the SL, 4-5 points. Okay, see, we have to trade in the market in such a way that our stop loss should be very small. Stop loss should be very small. Stop loss should be very small, and associated reward should be better. Yes, so this is nothing but called as a pullback, and thereafter this trade may be possible with stop loss just above the recent high. What was the recent high? Recent high was 17,193.94. Yes. So with that as a, just keep 2 3 points above that. So 193, 94 plus 196 can be considered as a stop loss, and you may short it. Let me check what is happening in the Nifty. Bank Nifty. Oh, Bank Nifty is still cruising. But it is important to check whether Bank Nifty will try to sustain above 36,823 or not. That is important to watch, because here Nifty has started to take the resistance.
Mm.
36,883. This is the top that Bank Nifty has made. Recent top. 36,900. 36,933. This is the recent top in the Bank Nifty spot. You can observe Bank Nifty is rising, however Nifty is stuck in the region. So Nifty is trying for this particular pullback to occur. Okay, Nifty is still stuck, you can observe, and Bank Nifty has also started to show some resistance from the upside. Now for the bulls in the Bank Nifty, this is the SL. This is the TSL for the bulls. Once this TSL gets broken, then we will think about some bearish sentiment. Otherwise, still see, this is the rising pattern, and above this and still it may rise. So better wait for either this TSL to be broken. Till that time there is no short sell, only bullish sentiments on the Bank Nifty. So this is very important region. What is the price? Around 36,933. This is the important price. I think Bank Nifty is trying to face the resistance here. Let me draw the trend line. Yes. So still the upward trend is intact. Once the price starts falling, yes, falling below this line, then one can keep this as the SL. Your SL will be very small. This can be your SL. What about the reward? A reward can be as big as this much. So very good risk reward ratio. Now similarly, if we try to draw the trend line for this Nifty chart, let me draw this trend line, extend this trend line. Okay. And another trend line can be, yes. So it is bullish as long as this trend line sustains. So short sale will be possible only when price starts to sustain below 17,180. And near to this zone, see, it doesn't matter how many times your SL gets triggered, because SL is very small here. Yes, and we have to take a short sale trade only when price starts to sustain below this region. Otherwise, not. Within this region, no trade. Now you can observe Nifty is trying to trade above 17,189. So till time no short sale possible. Yes. This was our expectation that from here pullback may occur. However, Nifty did not try to give any pullback. So no trade has been triggered yet. Okay. Since Nifty is in uncharted territory, so we are not able to say what can be the upper level for the Nifty. Where for the Bank Nifty, you could say, yes. So Nifty is bullish, as well as Bank Nifty is also not trying to break this trend line. So as long as this trend line is intact, there is no bearish sentiment on the there is no bearish sentiment on the Bank Nifty till time. That is the beauty of the candlestick pattern. See, unless and until you see any bearish confirmation, don't go for the bearish signal or trend reversal signal. Okay, and stay with the trend till the time it is intact. You can observe these candlesticks. Nowhere you can see any bearish candle. Yes, let me change the time frame now. Yes, here this may be considered as a bearish hanging man. However, at 10 o'clock it can confirm bearish hanging man, which is nothing but a bearish signal, but it needs confirmation. Confirmation can be given by a red candle. Yes, yet the candle is not closed because at 10 o'clock 10 a.m. it will close. Yes, so let us still stay with the trend. You can observe that almost 37,000 is done. Yesterday we talked about that when Bank Nifty tries to stay above 36,500, 400 to 500 points rise can be seen, and very soon you may be able to see 37,000. 37,000 almost done because it is this particular top is around 36,968. Yes, now this particular candle is nothing but shooting star. Shooting star needs confirmation. So next 5 minutes are important for to watch. And as far as 15-minute candle is concerned, let me check. Yes, this is nothing but a bearish hanging man. Bearish hanging man needs confirmation. Confirmation can be given by the red candle. So at 10:15 a.m. we may be able to get the confirmation. It's time 10 o'clock in the morning. And here in 5 minutes you can observe that this is what this is bearish hanging man, then shooting star. So all these are the bearish signals now. So trend reversal is expected to occur from this point. Trend reversal is expected to occur from this point. So patiently waiting for the candles to close, that is important. And unless and until you get any trend reversal signal with confirmation, stay with the trend. Here in Bank Nifty, let the candle to close. And as far as Nifty is concerned, Nifty is now trying to struggle here, but yet there is no confirmation signal. There is no yet any confirmation signal. Regarding the trend reversal, this trend is still intact. And where is the SL for this particular upside move? That is for bulls. This is the SL. This is the SL for the bulls. You can observe this movement, and here is the breakout, and this is the TSL. We can say TSL. So bulls need to still stay with the trend in Nifty with TSL just below 17,210. Yes, it has broken this region, but let the candle to close. Here, if you observe this Nifty, it is trying to face resistance towards this top. Okay, and this is the TSL for the bulls. If it gets triggered, then bulls need to book for the intraday. It doesn't mean the sentiment is immediately bearish. Let the bearish candle to come, then only there will be bearish signal. But as far as exit for the bulls is concerned, bulls are still in the rally, and this is the TSL for the bulls. And as far as Bank Nifty is concerned, this is the rally, and this is the TSL. 36,987, 990. So almost 37,000 is done. So you can observe TSL in Nifty has been triggered. That means bulls need to exit, close the position, book the profit and exit. Bears need to be active only when you get a confirmation. Yes, confirmation signal regarding the bearishness. Till time there is no bearish signal. Now this is nothing but a shooting star. Shooting star needs confirmation. This is very signal. It is occurring in 15 minute candle. 15-minute chart, but candle will close at 10:15 a.m. Here also in Bank Nifty you can observe it is trying to show this bearish hanging man. Bearish hanging man is nothing but a bearish signal, but it needs confirmation. Confirmation can be given by a red candle. So if we observe by 10:30 such kind of red candle, yes, such kind of red candle, then we can say yes, it is confirmed. Bank Nifty want to fall, and accordingly you can take a bearish trade, or you can just exit from the bullish trend. Yes, at present in Bank Nifty, let me draw. Yes, so this is another trend line which we can draw by considering the lower shadows. Yes, so this is, as long as this line is valid, the trend is bullish. And once it starts to fall below, and especially stays below this trend line, then bearish sentiments can be created. Yes, so it is 10:14 a.m. Let the candle to close at 10:15 a.m. Candle will close. Till time it is trying to show this as a shooting star or gravestone doji. So depending on the body size, we can say this can be a bearish hanging man, shooting star or gravestone doji. Yes. So, so this is a gravestone doji. Gravestone doji can be seen on the chart on 15-minute basis. This is nothing but a gravestone doji. It needs confirmation. Confirmation can be given by another red candle. Yes, and then trend reversal can be done. However, those who are aggressive traders, what they can do, they can just keep SL here above this, and they can enter at a price around 36,920. Yes, here also in Nifty chart, you can observe this is a shooting star. Shooting star needs confirmation. Confirmation can be given by red candle. So this zone may be broken now. We are expecting this zone to be broken, and very soon we may expect price to approach to 17,143 to 17,133. So this is how we can try to close the position almost at the top. Yes, so bullish position got closed as soon as we observe this bearish hanging man or say gravestone doji. Yes, here itself we try to close this position, and in case of Nifty also, what we did, we tried to close it as soon as we got the TSL triggered. And now you can observe this price is trying to sustain below this trend line. It means now this trend line will act as a resistance. Another bearish confirmation we can get when the price starts sustaining below 17,180. Our minimum expectation is 17,143 to 130. So you can observe B grade candle is coming. So minimum expected target is this in case of Nifty 17,143 to 130. And when below 130, then 17,070 to 17,060 may be possible. At present, from the setup, bulls already need to cover their positions and bears are expected to enter from the intraday perspective. So here observe that this Nifty, it is trying to approach to 17,143 to 130 region. At present it is 17,161. Yes, it is trading around 17,160. Yes, so hardly 17 points apart. If you remember, the exit was suggested around 17,209 for the bulls. For the bulls, the exit was suggested around 17,209. Yes, this was the chart drawn there. Yes, so this was the TSL. TSL got broken here, and here the exit for the bulls was suggested around 17,209, 210. And from there, you can observe fall is trying to approach to 70,143 to 130. So both way, that is rally as well as fall, we are able to catch. 17,154. 17,154. So just now 10 points apart. Now let us try to check for the Bank Nifty. Yes, Bank Nifty has touched to 36,823. So it is interesting now. It is interesting to watch whether it want to go like this or it want to fall. So how can we confirm that? Let us try to observe that 15-minute candle. Yes. See, this is the bearish confirmation. If the candle tries to close here around, yes, still 4 minutes are remaining because it is 10:26 a.m. 10:30 a.m. can confirm the bearish trend in Bank Nifty from the intraday perspective. Yes. So Nifty intraday low was around 17,150 and recent low made was around 17,154. Yes, so it is interesting to watch because Nifty is now towards the day support. Yes, day support, and Bank Nifty is also around its crucial support 36,823. So just 1 minute is remained now for the Bank Nifty trade to confirm. The short sell signal can be confirmed after this bearish candle. The aggressive traders already entered here with a stop loss just above the recent top. Yes, so aggressive traders try to trade around 36,930 with a stop loss just above intraday high. So 70-80 point stop loss. But safe traders, they need to wait for the confirmation. Yes, confirmation has been given by the side candle, which was as per the expectation. I tried to show you even that red candle also. Now here you can observe in Nifty, we have tried to achieve this target. Yes, this particular target. This is done in case of Nifty. Done. But Bank Nifty fall has been started means Nifty may even try to pierce this zone. So maybe intraday even this target 17,070 to 17,060 possible. However, at this particular region, now one need to book the profits and wait for 17,130 to be broken. Thereafter, we will get next trade in Nifty. Okay, done. So thank you very much. So now I am trying to stop this video. I have tried to just show you how we can try to patiently stay with the trade, book the profit during the bullish trend, thereafter wait for the confirmation and start with the bearish sentiment. Yes, and even our bearish target also got achieved. Now as far as Nifty is concerned, Nifty every 1 point is equal to 50 rupees. So we try to catch from 17,210, yes, to 17,143. So almost 70 points, means around 3000 to 3500 INR. Yes, in bearish trade, and in bullish also approximately same points. Yes, so that is the thing. And as far as Bank Nifty is concerned, Bank Nifty tried to trade above 36,361, and it was shared through the YouTube video also that above 36,500 very soon you will be able to see 37,000. And Bank Nifty today spot tried to trade around 37,000. So those 500 points also during the bull run. Yes. So that is how intraday with the technical analysis knowledge you may be able to earn the profits. But you need to take the ownership of your own trade. Yes, I am here just to share my views how to trade, how much to trade, with what quantity, and associated risk management concepts that I try to share during the training programs. Okay, thank you very much.